Accounting offers strong opportunities for financial growth in the United States when approached strategically. While essential services like bookkeeping and tax preparation provide a solid foundation, long-term success comes from understanding your value, adapting to industry changes, and positioning yourself to maximize earning potential. One of the most effective ways to increase income is to focus on your strengths. Whether your expertise lies in tax planning, financial analysis, or business advisory services, specialization allows you to offer high-value solutions that clients are willing to pay a premium for. Understanding the needs of the U.S. market is just as important. Small businesses often need support with payroll, bookkeeping, and tax compliance, while larger organizations may seek audit support, M&A, accounting, or strategic financial guidance. Aligning your services with these demands expands both relevance and income potential. Staying current with technology and industry trends is also critical. Advances in automation, AI-powered accounting tools, sustainability reporting, and evolving tax regulations have reshaped the profession. Accountants who embrace these changes position themselves as forward-thinking experts. Offering convenience through cloud-based systems, secure client portals, and automated reporting improves efficiency, strengthens client relationships, and encourages referrals. Finally, pricing your services based on the value you deliver, not just time spent, ensures long-term profitability. When clients clearly see the impact of your expertise, they're more likely to invest in your services, helping you build a sustainable and rewarding accounting career. Identifying profitable opportunities in accounting starts with recognizing where demand is highest. Specializing in a specific niche or client demographic is one of the most effective ways to increase income. Freelancers, startups, and small business owners often need expert financial support but can't justify full-time staff. By tailoring services like bookkeeping, tax filing, and financial reporting to their needs, you can build steady revenue and strong referral networks. Expanding into advisory services is another powerful growth strategy. Many U.S. businesses look for guidance in areas such as cash flow management, financial forecasting, and risk assessment. Positioning yourself as both an accountant and a financial advisor allows you to offer higher value services, charge premium fees, and develop long-term client relationships. Staying informed about regulatory changes and emerging sectors also creates new opportunities. High-demand areas such as cryptocurrency accounting, ESG reporting, and complex tax compliance often command higher rates due to their specialized nature. Embracing technology, through data analytics, automation, or cloud-based accounting systems, can further differentiate your services and attract more advanced clients. Finally, building strategic partnerships with professionals like attorneys, financial planners, or tax specialists expands your reach. These relationships often lead to cross-referrals and new business, increasing income potential while strengthening your reputation as a trusted, full-service financial expert. Enhancing efficiency is one of the most effective ways to increase earnings in an accounting practice. When your processes are streamlined, you can serve more clients, reduce errors, and dedicate more time to high-value, revenue-generating services. Start by optimizing your workflows. Break complex tasks like tax filing, payroll, or month-end reporting into clear, repeatable steps. Eliminating redundancies and standardizing processes speeds up delivery, improves accuracy, and frees up valuable time. Investing in the right technology is another major efficiency booster. Modern accounting tools automate routine tasks such as bank reconciliations, expense tracking, and invoicing. Client management systems and time tracking tools also improve scheduling, billing accuracy, and pricing decisions. Effective delegation plays a key role as well. Outsourcing non-core tasks like administrative work or IT support allows you to focus on strategic services. Within a team, assigning tasks based on expertise improves turnaround times and reduces costly mistakes. Going paperless further enhances efficiency. Digitizing records and using cloud-based platforms simplifies document storage, retrieval, and collaboration. This minimizes manual work and supports remote access and scalability. Regularly auditing your processes ensures continuous improvement. As your practice grows, reviewing workflows and tools helps identify bottlenecks and outdated systems that may be slowing you down. Finally, strong time management ties everything together. Prioritizing tasks by urgency and impact, using project management tools, and setting clear milestones helps you deliver work on time, maintain quality, and keep clients satisfied, ultimately leading to higher earnings and sustainable growth. Strong client relationships are the foundation of a successful accounting practice. Loyal clients return year after year, refer others, and often expand their service needs, making relationship management a key driver of long-term growth. Building trust starts with active listening and a genuine understanding of your clients' goals. Taking time to learn about their financial challenges shows that you're invested in their success and positions you as a trusted advisor rather than just a service provider. Clear and consistent communication reinforces this trust. Proactively sharing updates, explaining deadlines, and simplifying complex financial concepts helps clients feel informed and confident. Personalizing how you communicate also improves client satisfaction. Whether through in-person meetings, virtual consultations, or secure messaging platforms, adapting to your client's preferences creates a more positive experience. Using technology such as client portals and real-time dashboards adds convenience and signals that your firm is modern and efficient. Responsiveness plays a critical role as well. Prompt replies to questions or concerns demonstrate reliability and encourage loyalty. Regularly asking for feedback helps refine your services and shows a commitment to improvement. Most importantly, anticipating client needs, such as identifying tax-saving opportunities or offering proactive financial guidance, sets you apart from competitors and strengthens your role as a long-term financial partner. Strong marketing is essential for accounting firms that want to attract clients and grow in a competitive U.S. market. Even the best services need visibility and credibility to stand out. The foundation of effective marketing starts with understanding your target audience. Whether you serve startups, small businesses, or large organizations, tailoring your messaging to their specific challenges makes your services more relevant. Highlighting expertise in areas like tax compliance, financial planning, or advisory services shows that you understand their needs and can deliver solutions. Social media plays a key role in building visibility and authority. Sharing financial tips, tax updates, and industry insights helps position your firm as a trusted expert. Professional platforms are ideal for networking, while broader social channels help you reach and engage a wider audience. Consistent interaction and timely responses further strengthen trust. Email marketing remains one of the most effective tools for nurturing leads and retaining clients. Regular newsletters with reminders, advice, and service updates keep your firm top of mind. Clear calls to action, such as booking a consultation, help turn interest into revenue. Search engine optimization is also critical for long-term growth. Optimizing your website with relevant keywords, maintaining accurate business listings, and encouraging client reviews improves search visibility. Offering free resources like guides or webinars builds credibility and encourages potential clients to choose your firm. Finally, leverage reviews and referrals. Satisfied clients are powerful advocates. Featuring testimonials and encouraging referrals strengthens social proof and reinforces trust in your services. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand accounting a little better, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more accounting tips and guides. See you in the next video.